We are born with perfect skin, but stress, work, our environment, and certain lifestyle choices can cause early aging to our bodies, especially affecting our largest organ, our skin. Presenting a revolutionary, non-invasive skin rejuvenation technology that generates pure plasma to make you ageless once again. Plexr. Plexr is the only energy-based device that can generate pure plasma on the surface of the skin, rejuvenating the skin without damaging it underneath. Plexr provides lunchtime treatment with immediate recovery and does not require operating rooms or anesthesia. Plexr includes a 3-year warranty, chic design with portable touchscreen LCD, 2 smart ergonomic handpieces with 5 hours of wireless connectivity, multiple tips, field LED lights, pulsed and fractionated modes, and requires no eye shield. Search Plexr on the web and see how millions of people changed their lives with this revolutionary technology. Visit plexrplasma.com and book your free Plexr demo now. Join the network of over 10,000 doctors and clinics and create results that really matter.